The oxy acid of phosphorus, which exists as a trimer in vapor phase, is option A is a hydrophosphorus acid, option B is pyrophosphoric acid, option C is peroxyphosphoric acid, option D is metaphosphoric acid. Before going to see the answer, first I am also explaining to you what are the structures of these four acids. So first one, if we consider, so you can see here, first one, option A is H3PO2 is a formula, that is the structure of that acid, and option B, pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. You can see the structure here. Then third one is peroxyphosphoric acid is given. So there are two types of peroxyphosphoric acids. One is peroxymonophosphoric acid, another one is peroxydiphosphoric acid. Peroxymonophosphoric acid is H3PO5, that is the structure of that H3PO5, and second one is peroxydiphosphoric acid, H4P2O8, and it is the structure of this peroxydiphosphoric acid. And finally metaphosphoric acid, which will exist in the trimeric and cyclic form. This is the structure of that metaphosphoric acid. So for the given question, the oxoacid of phosphorus which exists as a trimer in vapor phase is option D.